Hey guys, welcome back to Royal Swag Auto. And I have a box. I have a box, and I'm gonna open the box and show you what it is. All right. So this is the brand new fender liner for my 2021 Chevy Spark LT. Okay. So this is the back, or the front, bottom, inside of it. That's what it looks like. So it's been so cold, I have not gotten a chance to install this yet. Now, I got this from carparts.com. Normally, and it's light, very light. Ain't no weight for real. It's just fender liner. It's just to protect a lot of the stuff under your engine bay, especially from water. But a lot of times I order from rockauto.com, and for some reason I decided to go on carparts.com, you know, and I said, let me check car parts out, let me see if I can find a fender liner for my Spark. I found one. It was only 20 bucks, not that expensive. Of course, you gotta have to add taxes, but taxes with everything. But I think for 20 bucks, it's in great shape. Looks OEM. It looks just like the one that's under my car now. But the only thing that I don't like about this delivery that I received is that I straight out the box, it did not come wrapped in no plastic. It did not come in no type of protective film or nothing. Nothing. So straight from the box, it came just like this, unprotected, straight from the box. That's my only complaint, if that's what you want to call it. That's my only little minor issue. It's not damaged, so there's nothing really to complain about because it's not damaged, it's not scratched or anything like that. It's in perfect condition. You put it back in the box. Part on the second part of this video, um, we're going to be attempting to do the install. Y'all know with cars, when it comes to repairs and stuff like that, um, some installs or repairs might be easy. Others might be supposed to be easy, but for some reason something goes wrong. Come on, we know how it goes. Yeah, so we're gonna attempt to do that in the next clip. All right, guys. Hold on, airplane coming through. Here we have the old fender liner. We have the old fender liner, which is busted. So we gotta take all these zip ties, and looks like there's a clip here. I think that's the only thing that's holding this one is this clip, this one clip. So it's crazy. I don't know where the other clips went, but we're gonna take that clip off and see what else need to come off. Of course, we're gonna cut those zip ties and put the new one on. Okay, so it came out fairly easy. This is the old one that has the clip on it. One clip. So there's clips that's missing. I'm probably gonna have to buy some more clips. Looks like there's only two clips. This and there's supposed to be one here which is gone. I don't know where it went. So yeah, it came out fairly easy. So as you can see, these two tabs, it's really easy. Really easy. You have one tab here, another hole here. So it's only two clips that's holding it up, and it goes under here. So this is the old one. This is the new one. And the install is pretty easy. I mean, all you do, oh, I didn't even realize. There goes the oil filter. See that orange? That orange? That's the oil filter. But it's pretty easy. All you do is slide it back here. Hold on. All you do is put the clips back on. I got one clip in. I don't know where that other one is. So temporarily, we're just going to have to use zip ties until we can find another clip. But fairly easy. Easier than I expected. So all you do is line up the clip to this hole. Line the clip up. Push it in. Now I don't want to go in. Come on, bruh. Line it up. Might have to use a hammer. Hold on. And just like that, the brand new fender liner on a 2021 Chevy Spark has been installed. Let's go over it one more again. It's two clips. All you gotta do is jack your car up. All you gotta do is jack your car up. Take your tires off. And then take out the two clips. It's little two tabs that's holding it. Take out the two tabs. Mine ain't got one because the other one, I don't know what happened to it. So take out the two tabs. It comes out real easy. Put the new one back in. You line it up. You put the tab up. You might need to get a hammer. A small hammer should do. Just kind of knock it back. Just tap it in for the clip to go all the way in. Once the clip is in, it should be good. And then you do the same for the other side. But obviously, I ain't got that clip, so I had to use zip ties. There you have it. It is done. The brand new fender liner. I've been looking all over YouTube trying to figure out how to do this. And nobody had no answer. Nobody was able to tell me nothing. So I came here and I had to figure it out. So for those who need to change your fender liner on your PT Cruiser, but yeah, this is how you replace a fender liner on a 2021 Chevy Spark.